mixed oxides, mixed oxides, mixed oxides. Now mixed oxide, the mixture of two or more oxides of same metal is known as mixed oxide of metal. Mixed oxide of metal. Example. The examples are Cr3O4, Mn3O4, Fe3O4, and last one Pb3O4. These are the mixed oxides we have. The mixture of two or more oxides of same metal is known as mixed oxide of the metal. Now, we are frequently asked to find the oxidation state of iron. Now in MCET exam model, it is very easy. For 3 iron atoms and 4 oxygen atoms, the summation is 0. 3 iron plus 4 into minus 2 equal to 0. 3 iron atoms minus 8 equal to 0. For 3 iron atoms plus 8. For 1 iron atom plus 8 by 3. This is the MCET model. This is MCET model. Okay. But in JEE model, in JEE exam, they will ask the oxidation state for each and every atom. For 3 atoms, they are asking the oxidation state separately. For that one, we have to split the mixed oxide. It is a mixed oxide of FeO and Fe2O3. It is a mixed oxide of FeO and Fe2O3. Now we have to find out oxidation state of iron, this one, and oxidation state of 2 atoms in Fe2O3. Now we are going to calculate the oxidation state separately. In FeO, 1 iron plus 1 oxygen equal to 0. Iron plus oxygen is generally minus 2. So iron oxidation state we are getting is plus 2. This is 1. And for this one Fe2O3, there are 2 iron atoms and 3 oxygen atoms. For this one, sum of oxidation states is 0. 2 iron plus 3 into minus 2 equal to 0. 2 iron minus 6 equal to 0. 2 iron is equal to plus 6. 1 iron atom is plus 3. Another iron atom is plus 3. Thus, the oxidation states are, what are the possible oxidation states for this one? Plus 2, plus 3, plus 3. These are the oxidation states possible for that one. Similarly, the same case is discussed in case of which one? Same manner. For Cr3O4, Mn3O4, Fe3O4. For these 3 also, the oxidation states are expected as plus 2, plus 3, plus 3. Okay. I repeat once again. So, for which one? For Cr3O4, for Mn3O4, for Fe3O4, the oxidation states of elements. For this one, the oxidation states are plus 2, plus 3, plus 3. For this one, plus 2, plus 3, plus 3. For this one also, plus 2, plus 3, plus 3. So, clear. Okay. Now, the special case is, what about Pb3O4? Pb3O4 is chemically triled tetraoxide. This is commonly known as Sindhur. General ga Marwadis marriage aina ladies papatlo pedutuntaru Sindhur. Sindhur is chemically triled tetraoxide. Triled tetraoxide. Now Pb3O4 is the mixed oxide of PbO, another PbO, and PbO2. PbO2. This contain 2 PbO oxides and 1 PbO2 oxide. Now you recall Lead belongs to which group? Lead belongs to carbon family. Carbon, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. You know, this family electronic configuration is Ns2, Np1, Np1. How many unpaired electrons are there? 2. So on sharing 2 it will get +2 oxidation state. Now if this electron is promoted to vacant d orbital or vacant p orbital, then we get what? Ns1, Np1, Np1, Np0 become 1. Thus we have 4 unpaired electrons. On sharing 4 unpaired electrons, it will get +4 oxidation state. So for lead, the possible oxidation states are 2. What are they? +2 and +4. +2 and +4 oxidation states are possible. Now we find the oxidation state of lead in this one. Lead plus 1 oxygen is equal to 0. Lead plus 1 into -2 equal to 0. Lead -2 equal to 0. Lead we are getting +2. Similarly we calculate PbO2. 1 lead plus 2 oxygens equal to 0. Pb plus 2 into -2 equal to 0. Pb minus 4 equal to 0. Pb oxidation state we are getting +4. Thus, what are the oxidation states? In PbO +2, another PbO +2, whereas in PbO2 +4. These are the possible oxidation states. Thus, the oxidation states of mixed oxides are calculated.